Dr. Saab,
Yeah.
would you like me to become a future trainer, sir?
Yeah, why you say future? You are already trainer.
Oh, that's very nice, sir. Thank you. So, I am here to produce more challenge for you because I am the future competitor. So here we have almost three activities, and I deserve your appreciation because I did some efforts to make them smart as possible to save the time and generate interaction. So here is a smart activity which challenges the thinking and demands answer in yes and no and then reason. So I would like to conduct this activity by giving little bit challenges to the thinking of the participants, how they think about that concept, and then I will show them the right concept. But it will save their time and also give them learning opportunity. So here is the first statement. Let's see, hope the people are very much clear about that statement. Planning and organizing your writing are less important than the expression of ideas. So what the people sitting in room says, yes. False. False. Yes. Hope our online participants also made some judgment regarding this, and shortly I am going to show you is it false or is it right. Daksa, what do you say, please?
Sometimes there are a bit gray area. Planning and organizing your writing.
Daksa, ban gaya na, I am challenge for you, sir. Yes. So here is the false, and I won the game.
You won the game. I said Nobel Prize goes to you.
That's fine. Hope I will involve international participants also just after two questions. So we need to run ahead. So there is an explanation of why it is false, and explanation will be emailed to you people, and you people can read it. So we have next challenging statement. Plagiarism simply means copying another student work and calling it your own. Yes.
No, I'm sure every participant knows that. We have discussed in detail.
Yes, sir. We will involve. Yes, ji. False or not? It's right. It's true. True or wrong? False. True and false. True and false. So would you like me to show the real answer? Just test your muscle. It's coming. It's false. Oh, wow, good. Very technical point. So it says it's very important in Pakistani context. So I would like to read it. Plagiarism can also mean copying text from books, journals, or the internet and claiming it as your own, or even using another writer's ideas expressed in your own words, but without acknowledging the originator of those ideas. In other words, plagiarism is the act of copying in another person's words or pretending that their ideas are your own, especially in academic written work. So really plagiarism is very, very serious issue, and we would like to promote it in our country and other part of the world so that together we can escape from that mistake. Assignments set by supervisor may require different kind of academic writing. It means when we have in MPhil and PhD doing coursework, we are given certain assignments, sometimes review of 3 to 4 papers, sometimes some paper on small survey. So there are different kind of academic writing. So it's true. Let's see what my magic box says. My magic box says it's true. And my magic box says sometimes we need reports, sometimes technical and scientific reports, sometimes essays, sometimes literature reviews. So we need to differentiate and we need to design accordingly. Only, yes, next challenge is only a good vocabulary is important in producing a formal academic style in your written work.
No.
Yes. True, false. Yes, Atik, please open the voice of few online participants. Yes. My friend, my best friend, Mr. Adnan. Mr. Adnan, you are here.
Yes, sir.
What about this statement?
Yes, I hear you.
It true or false?
I mean, no, I think it's false because the vocabulary enough is not enough. I mean, just to have a good report, scientific academic report. And
Vocabulary.
that, as we just heard, when we wrote it, we can send it to any editor, either paid or just the courtesy of a
Yeah,
friend.
that's fine.
You can just do it. I mean,
It means you have improved a lot during 2-day workshop.
I'm so pleased to know this that
a lot, yes.
Thank you. It's my marketing style basically. Let's have another participant, for online participant. Dr. Shasta, hope you are looking at this statement. Only a good vocabulary is important in producing a formal academic style in your written work. People can text us, this statement is false or true. If there is a mic problem. Oh yeah, we have answers. Very good. The people who will not answer are my best friends because I don't know the answer. Margins are true and Dr. Kamal said true and margin said true and again false. It is okay. No, it's about last statement. We need again your answer about this statement. Only a good vocabulary is important in producing a formal academic style in your written work. So it's 4-5 and all the answers after 4 p.m. are related to this question. Yes, Mr. Javed? Would you like to say false or true about this statement? Mr. Javed, hope you are here. So now it's my turn to respond and technology helps me to respond because I am the chairman. False. It's false because not only the vocabulary we need, rather we can take support from vocabulary, but it's an idea drafting. That's how, if you allow me, I would like to share a very small, my personal case. When I wrote my first abstract, we have Mr. Waqar Ahmed, he is currently a trainer there in CMD. So I shown my written abstract to Waqar Sahab. So Waqar Sahab just asked me who has written it. So I replied, I have written it. So he said, from where you borrowed the vocabulary and language? I said, from internet. So he just made a red cross on my abstract and he advised me, my dear son, just go back, write in your own words, in your own thoughts. Don't borrow the vocabulary. Otherwise, you will remain handicapped of the vocabulary all the time. So that was the first lesson, Dr. Saab, and it took me 2 to 3 years to develop my own writing style. So many times when I go for consulting and advices to some students, so I usually write 1 or 2 pages in one sitting. And I don't mind writing it and don't have any problem because Mr. Waqar has given me the first lesson, don't use the borrowed vocabulary, use your own words and mind. So I thank you, Mr. Waqar. He is professor there in UMT.
Sure.
So its next question, it's constructing an argument for an academic research involves linking together ideas that you have read in books and other source material. Yes, it's false, it's true. Adnan sahab? It's true. It's true. It's true. Let's see. एक और है वो उसको लेकर. Let's see what chairman of the academic writing group says. It says false. A common mistake made by inexperienced student is to simply link together ideas that they have found in their reading to form their answers to an essay question. Much more thought needs to go into the writing for an essay. Like Professor Waqar taught me, use your own mind, write in your own thoughts, write in your own words. So it's really good. So you may have to write several drafts before a research writing is ready to submit. Yes. False or true? It's very hard work, and I think if you interview about the supervisor, when the students coming out of the supervisor room with the note that write again, it's very painful time that time. So I hope it's true. Yes, Dr. Kamal, would you like to say something? Yes, Dr. Kamal?
Yes.
Would you say yes, false or true about this statement?
This is true. This is true. We have to write several drafts before submitting that for research.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Let's see what my magic box says. It says true. Good academic writers have been shown to produce several drafts, edit and proofread their work before submission. So drafting, editing, proofreading, it's a lot of work involved. So
Rama sir, just very quickly I will add this point. I mean, it's very, very true. And to our participants, it's not only you as a PhD students or researchers, very famous, well-established intellectuals, internationally known, they do the same exercise, many, several drafts, and then they send those for review to their circles, and then also they get the things edited. And same like the book Clash of Civilization, if you know that, this Samuel Huntington, and this concept is so famous. He died a few years ago. The same, just as an example, it was with his book as well. So don't be, scared of this. Everyone, goes through this process.
क्या schedule क्या?